Good afternoon, everyone. This is the last announcement for this class this semester. Everything that you have submitted, including exam number 3 that we do last night, has been graded on Canvas. As a result, your final total score should include the results of your exam number 3 and any final late submissions. To calculate your final grade, consider the following grading scale based on your final number of points. 900 to 1000 is an A. 800 to 899 is a B, 700 to 799 is a C, 600 to 699 is a D, 599 and below is an F. I am scheduled to post these grades by Monday morning. If you think there's an error in the calculation of your final score or if there are any questions, please contact me as soon as possible at scortez@sdccd.edu because these grades need to submit it by Monday morning. Also, there are some of you missing multiple assignments. If you plan to submit them, you need to do it between today and Sunday by today. Otherwise, your final score will stay as it is now. It was a pleasure having you in class this semester. Wish you the best with all of your future pursuits and hope you have an awesome rest of the summer. Congratulations to those of you who are graduating. I wish you lots of success and happiness. Best, Samuel Cortez.